Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Make It Up Supergirl. Today I would like to share with you my Ipsy Extra Beauty Box for June 2026. So if this interests you, please keep watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that bell to be notified of all my new content. Alright, let's get started. The first item I want to show you is a primer. This has a manufacturer price of $24. So let's see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like out of the packaging. So this provides hydration and it also enhances your makeup. And if you just want to use the product alone, it will give you a radiant look. The next item is a set of makeup brushes. This has a manufacturer price of $22. So let's take a look at each and every makeup brush. And this is what the brushes look like. So you have a large shader brush, a medium angled brush, and then you have a tapered blending brush. And it's always good to have different makeup brushes available when you're doing makeup. The next item is a watermelon sunscreen. This has a manufacturer price of $35. So let's see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like out of the packaging. And I'm actually going to put a little bit on the back of my hand just so we can see how it performs. And this is what the product looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my hand and see if we see any type of casting. And we do not. So I think this is going to work out perfectly. The next item is a cream to powder blush. This has a manufacturer price of $24. So let's see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like out of the packaging, but let me go ahead and open this up so we can see the color. So this color is going to be a muted coral, and I'm not going to swatch it because I'm still trying to use up all my other blushes, but I look forward to trying this out. The next item is a 15 pan eyeshadow palette. This has a manufacturer price of $35. So let's see what it looks like. And this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. So it mostly contains pink shades and shimmers. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a few of these shimmers just so we can see how they perform. And here are 3 shades swatched. So this one is a light pink shimmer, this one is a dark pink shimmer, and this one is a purple shimmer. And I'm going to go ahead and move my hand from side to side just so we can see how it looks in different angles. The next item is another eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette has a manufacturer price of $22. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. And this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like out of the packaging. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch a couple of these shades just so we can see how they look swatched. And here are 3 shades swatched. And I'm going to move my hand from side to side just so we can see how these eyeshadows look in different angles. The next item is another eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette has a manufacturer retail price of $26. So let's see what the color story looks like. And this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this lavender shade because I want to see what it looks like swatched. And this is what the shade looks like swatched on my hand. And I'm going to go ahead and move my hand from side to side just so we can see what it looks like in different angles. Next are some under eye patches. These have a manufacturer retail price of $7. And these under eye patches are fragrance free. They provide hydration and they also help reduce puffiness under the eye. Next are some under eye masks. These have a manufacturer price of $7 and these will help depuff and refresh tired eyes and also provide hydration. The last and final item is a facial oil. This has a manufacturer retail price of $74. So let's see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like out of the packaging. So this facial oil will help smooth out wrinkles and provide moisture. Well, that was everything that was in my Ipsy Extra Beauty Box for June 2026. I received 10 items and it had a total value of $276. And thank you so much for always taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate it. And please remember to love yourself, love others, know that you're loved, and that we're all beautiful. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.